Welcome to World Prism. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. Picture the year 1900, the Aegean Sea glinting under the Greek sun. A group of sponge divers, forced ashore by a storm, anchor near Antikythera. When the sea calms, diver Elias Stadiatis plunges into the depths, searching for sponges. Instead, he finds the ghostly remains of a shipwreck, 50 meters down. Among the wreckage, he sees what looks like a heap of lifeless bodies, actually, ancient statues. Panicked, he surfaces, convinced he's found a graveyard. Captain Dimitrios Kontos dives to investigate and discovers a trove of bronze and marble statues, lost for 2 millennia. The divers had stumbled upon a Roman cargo ship, sunk around 65 BC, loaded with Greek art and luxury goods. Over the next year, they recover stunning treasures, including the famed Antikythera youth. But among the art, they find a corroded lump of bronze and wood, overlooked as debris. This lump is sent to the National Archaeological Museum in Athens, where it sits ignored for 2 years. One day, it cracks open, revealing intricate gears inside, like a clock, but impossibly ancient. This mysterious device, from a time when such technology shouldn't exist, sparks a century-long detective story. What was its purpose? How could such complexity exist in the ancient world? The discovery would challenge everything we thought we knew about our ancestors. The Antikythera Mechanism was about to rewrite history. It was more than a relic. It was a message from the past, waiting to be understood. The story of its discovery is just the beginning. What secrets did this ancient machine hold? And how would it change our view of the ancient world? The answer would astonish scientists for generations. The journey to unlock its mysteries had only just begun. The greatest treasure from the deep was not gold, but knowledge. The divers had found the Antikythera Mechanism, often called the world's first analog computer. Built in the 2nd century BC, it's more complex than anything else for 1,000 years. This device was a portable model of the cosmos encased in bronze. By turning a handle, users could set a date and see the positions of the sun and moon, predict eclipses, and track ancient athletic calendars. It was a guide to the heavens, centuries ahead of its time. At least 30 interlocking gears have survived, each precisely cut to model celestial motions. The Greeks even accounted for the moon's variable speed using epicyclic gearing, a feat thought impossible for their era. The mechanism is a physical embodiment of ancient Greek astronomy and engineering. It encodes vast astronomical knowledge into a functional, beautiful device. The Greeks knew the length of the year, the cycles of the sun and moon, and could model them mechanically. This was technology, born from a desire to understand the universe. The Antikythera Mechanism was a cosmos you could hold in your hands. It shattered assumptions about ancient science and technology. It proved our ancestors were not just thinkers, but inventors. The device is a testament to their genius. 2,000 years before laptops, they built a mechanical universe. For decades, the mechanism was a baffling puzzle. The shipwreck had shattered it into 82 fragments, many gears corroded or fused. Its inscriptions, a user manual, were mostly illegible. Early researchers used X-rays to glimpse the hidden gears, but couldn't map the full design. The front, showing the zodiac and celestial positions, was partly understood. The back, a tangle of dials and missing gears, remained a mystery. Imagine trying to understand a smartphone from a few broken chips. That was the challenge. The missing side was a black hole in our knowledge. The mechanism was a message from the past, only partially deciphered. Generations of scientists added small pieces to the puzzle, but the grand design eluded them. Unlocking its secrets would require new technology. The quest to rebuild the missing side was just beginning. The breakthrough came in the 21st century. The Antikythera Mechanism Research Project used high-resolution X-ray CT scanners to create detailed 3D models of every fragment. For the first time, every surviving gear tooth and thousands of hidden inscriptions were revealed. But the puzzle wasn't solved yet. Many parts were still missing. Enter artificial intelligence. Researchers used computer algorithms to test millions of possible gear arrangements. The AI worked within the device's tight dimensions, using ancient astronomical cycles and the recovered text. It was like a digital watchmaker, finding solutions that fit both the evidence and the physics. Combining CT data and AI, researchers proposed a new model for the missing side. The machines of today finally unlocked the secrets of the machines of the ancient world. The past and present met in a digital handshake. The AI-assisted reconstruction revealed a cosmos more sophisticated than ever imagined. The new model showed how the Greeks modeled not just the Sun and Moon, but all 5 known planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Using nested rings and epicyclic gears, they recreated the complex planetary motions of their geocentric universe. This miniature planetarium fit within the device's compact case. The inscriptions confirmed it tracked the synodic cycles of the planets with remarkable precision. The mechanism was a masterpiece of scientific engineering. It proved the Greeks had both the theory and the technical skill to build such a device. This pushed back the history of complex engineering by over a millennium. The Antikythera Mechanism is a testament to ancient ingenuity. It shows our ancestors were master technologists as well as thinkers. The Antikythera Mechanism forces us to rethink ancient technology. Was it a one-of-a-kind masterpiece, or just one survivor of a lost tradition? Bronze was often recycled, so countless similar devices may have vanished. The mechanism's survival is a stroke of luck. A shipwreck preserved what history would have melted down. Its existence hints at a world more advanced than we imagine. The device also raises questions about the transmission of knowledge. Did this engineering tradition survive elsewhere, perhaps influencing later Islamic science? The mechanism fuses theoretical astronomy with hands-on engineering. It proves ancient science was practical, inventive, and deeply curious. The Antikythera Mechanism redefines ancient scientists as inventors and makers. The Antikythera Mechanism is a story of 2 journeys. First, the Greeks built a model of the universe in bronze, capturing the cosmos in gears. Second, our own journey to understand it, using X-rays, AI, and modern science. Our technology lets us reach back in time and resurrect lost genius. The quest for knowledge is a thread through human history. Modern tools give us new ways to read the past and unlock its secrets. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than an ancient computer. It's a message across millennia. It reminds us not to underestimate the past. The desire to understand the cosmos is timeless. As our technology grows, so does our ability to listen to the whispers of history.